Okay, we're over here at gotomath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to something here. Where are we at? Using rational expressions. And I believe we're doing 8.1. Okay. So reduce rational expression lowest terms. Alright, so we got 4x squared minus 23x plus 33, 5x squared minus 11x minus 12. Alright, well let's write that down real quick here. Okay, got it. Alright, so we got 4x squared minus 23x plus 33 over 5x squared minus 11x and minus 12. So it doesn't look like we can factor anything out. We've got a prime number here, so I'm not going to be able to factor anything out here. What about the bottom? And it doesn't look like we're going to be able to factor anything out there either. So we're going to take a look at the top here, and I'm going to start with a 4x and see what happens. So remember, we've got 4 can be broke down to, definitely not that, 1 and 4, 1 times 4 is 4, or we could break it up to 2 and 2, okay? And we'll start with 4 and 1 here. Now 33 is 1 and 33, or let's see, 3 and 11, right? So remember, we got two numbers. When multiplied together, it gives us 33. And then, of course, if we're going to let this be A and this be B, right, you're going to have 4 times B plus A is going to be equal to the negative 23 here. Negative 23. Okay. Now let's take a look at this. If I put 4 times 33, that's a huge number. So we know that's not going to be it. Or if it was 4 times 1 and then a 33, that's not going to give us a negative 23. So we're going to have to look at 3 and 11 here. And remember, one of them's going to have to be, no, wait a minute. And we got a positive and a negative. They're going to have to both be negative, right? So if I put a negative 3 here, we get negative 12. And what about an 11? 12 and 11. Yeah, 12 and 11 is 33, right? No, negative 23. 12 and 11. 3, yeah, 23, that's it. There you go. Okay, that wasn't too bad. So that's going to be, hold on, I've already forgotten here. Let's see, 12 and 11. So B will be the 3, and that will be the 11 here. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. Let's get rid of that. Whoops, didn't mean to get rid of all of it. Okay. Now let's take a look at the denominator. I'm going to go ahead and start with a 5 here. Well, that's really the only thing we could put here is a 5. Actually, can't break that down anymore. So if this is an A and this is a B, and of course, what do we got? We got 12. So let's take a look at that. We got 1 and 12, or what else? 4 and 3, or 4 and 3, right? So, actually, let's just look at this here. 5 times 4 is 20. We've got to do a negative 11 here. 25 times 20 and 3, 23. No. Let's see. If this were, hell, the only other choice we got here, as long as 4, 3, 15, and 4 is negative 15. Oh, negative 15. And for this is a minus and that's a plus. There you go. So you got negative 15 and plus 4 is negative 11. Ugh. Whoops. Get rid of that. And I got rid of everything. 3 and 4. Okay. So obviously these guys here cancel out, and we're left with a 4x minus 11 over a 5x plus a 4. Okay. So let's click that. 4x minus 11 over 5x plus 4. Alright, good thing. Okay, so we're over here at gotomath.com, and see you in the next problem.